Can you hear that? I don't even know who's lighting off fireworks, but there's a lot going on right now. All right, so this is the page that was scored at 6 inches. That's the 11 by 8 page. And so when you fold it over, there's a smaller page here. We're going to flip that over and we're going to work on the back of that page. Now we're going to take the 7 by 5 page that we scored on 2 ends in the last video. I'm going to line up this folded edge with the cut edge of the page here on the top. And I'm just making sure that I'm getting that lined up. And now I'm going across and I'm flipping it around to make sure that I get all of this lined up. And now I'm just burnishing it on there. I am taking the 7 by 5 piece that we made into a pocket. And if you want to make this pocket smaller, you don't have to make it 5 inches. You could make it smaller, or you could punch the top of this. I'm not going to do either. So I'm going to flip the pocket over so that the flaps are sticking up. So what I do is I stick the sides down first, and then I stick the bottom on top of that, so that when you're sticking your tag inside of there, it does not get stuck on the bottom. Because if this was attached to the page first and then these, your cards would stick in there a little bit differently. So I just like to fold the sides first and the bottom last. So now I'm lining up the corner of my folded pocket with the front of the page, and I'm lining up the side, the bottom, and then the side. And so that is the page. This left side right here is going to be where the binding is, and then you flip it over and you have this pocket, but you also have the pocket page. So I'll make another one of those. Again, I'm flipping it over and I'm attaching the 9 by 6 piece first. And you can actually put that pocket anywhere you want. You don't have to, like if you want your pocket here, you could put your pocket there, but then just fold your paper and reburnish it so that it closes correctly. This little pocket I'm talking about. And I am just taking off the tape backing. Again, my sides down and my bottom up. And I'm going to place this on the page, making sure that I line up all of the sides here. And burnishing it. And what that does is that just really makes sure that the glue is adhered to the page.
I gave you all me. When I came, I knew that I'd be down for the fall if it happened. So much unspoken. Sometimes we're not happy, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here. Ooh, stranded with you, feeling better since you brought me here. Ooh, stranded with you, we surviving together. Said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here. Ooh, stranded with you. People they call me, tell me I should leave and just be. They don't see all I see. We barely open. Sometimes we feel lonely, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here. Ooh, stranded with you, feeling better since you brought me here. Ooh, stranded with you, we're surviving together. Said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here. Ooh, stranded with you. If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded. Even on an island by ourselves. Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here. Stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here. Stranded with you. We're surviving together. Said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here. Stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here. Stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me. Stranded with you. We're surviving together. Said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here. Stranded with you. Pack up your perfume and all your clothes. Take back the TV. It's time to go now. We're moving out of town. Pack a few picture frames. Before we're done, I scraped up all the change up under our bed. We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change. We're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California. Yeah. By the time we get there, maybe you forgive me. Let's love hard, let's live now in Hollywood, California. Yeah. Filling the gas tank, we're moving on, taking this freeway until it runs out. We're moving out of town. I know you're mad at me for what I've done, starting in Cali. I'm making things right. So tell your friends to bye. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change. We're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California. Yeah. By the time we get there, maybe you forgive me. Let's love hard, let's live now in Hollywood, California. Yeah. Look at all those stars, baby. Look at all of those. Hollywood signs. I'm driving through the night. You can't win me. God forgive me. Starting over when we reach California. Starting over when we reach California. I can't wait until we reach that city of light. That city of light. That city of baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California. Yeah. By the time we get there, maybe you forgive me. Let's love hard, let's live now in Hollywood, California. Yeah. Oh, you love me, baby. California, come baby. California, yeah. Sunny girl. Let's go running.
Okay, so I have the hinge done now, and if you want I have a tutorial that does shows you up close how to do this hinge. So that's why I just kind of played music and didn't give instructions for that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make the covers. So I need my 2 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock and my chipboard covers. And the first thing I'm going to do is attach the 2 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock together with a piece of 1/2 inch score tape. Just going to apply it to the edge here. It seems like this is stopped. There we go. And I'm going to peel this off, and I'm going to just attach that. You know what, I'm going to put it this way so I can see where the 1/2 inch is. And I'm just going to attach my page to that, doing the best I can to make sure that it's straight. Although, in the end, it doesn't really matter much. All right, so I have this larger piece of cardstock now. And the first piece I'm going to put down is this. So I'm just going to put adhesive on the back of that, and then on the back of these 2 pieces. Then I will cut around the outside of it to make sure that there's a 1 inch gap around, and I will fold it over. And again, I have a tutorial on that. So once I get done with that, I'll come back and attach the hinge with you and the pages, and then we'll go on to decorating.